so the airfield's all the way down there. We've got 1,000 foot to kill off, so nose up, get the airspeed lower a bit. First stage of flaps, and nose down. Throttle back, and keep descending. Oh, and now we're nicely set up for landing. Guys, welcome to another video.
Good Delta, taxiing down to the hole.
We're with Roks again. We've just finished our hour's flight in the air. We're just about to land again at D-Land. It's going to be a relatively short video, but here's some of the best bits from our flight today. Ah, that's interesting. He was saying the brakes not as on the left isn't as good as on the left is better than the right. So when I squeeze the brake, look, we turn to the left.
Yeah.
Right, I'll have to remember that on landing. Right, so roughly facing into wind, brake on. Okay, caveat on, fuel pump on. First stage of flaps, trim set for takeoff. Caveat on. Whole flap open. Right, cabin heaters off. Okay, we're all good. D-Land radio, go Hotel Echo Victor Romeo. Entering 24 for an immediate takeoff. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Wow. I have never done it that quick before in my life. Okay, so I go to a cruise climb, we're above 1,000 foot. Fuel pump off, check my engine. Looks okay. Like I say, your only job is to look out for other aircraft. And on a day like this today, you know, there's going to be a good couple of people up in the air. If I notice that an aircraft heading straight at me now, the standard procedure is to turn right.
Yeah.
So if I spotted it, I'd do that.
Oh, thank God. I haven't eaten in a while.
Oh, don't tell me that. At least you noticed the sit bag anyway. You know where that is kept. And what I'll do, I'll sort of head towards Brighton a bit. I won't go too close to Brighton because the wind's pushing this way, so it's going to take us a little bit of time to get there.
Yeah. What one tells you how high we are?
Pardon?
What one tells you?
Yes.
Oh, that one.
So that's, the little one is thousands of foot, the big one's hundreds. So like a clock. So we're at 1,800 foot. Do you want to have a go?
To what?
See, look, I'm flying like this now. It's completely fine on its own because we're into wind, all that sort of stuff. It's nice and calm. It's a sunny day. We're fine. Look, I can just let go like this. So go on.
Do what?
Right, this. When you pull back, it goes up.
Okay.
When you push forward, it goes down. And then that is left and right. Okay. And then your feet help twist it like that. So when you turn right, you do a little bit of your foot on the right and a little bit of right like that to turn right basically.
Yeah.
And then, because the nose wants to drop then, you pull back a little bit to keep us at a nice level. And then you do the same going left. So you just hold it back a little bit, just hold the pressure a bit, then it keeps us going left. So.
I did it for last time. Okay.
Turn us right towards Brighton a bit then.
So wait, what?
So, yeah. Now pull back a little bit because we're going down a bit. Not too hard.
Oh.
There you go. See, look, we're turning right. Back a bit because the nose is coming down. There you go. And now turn us left. It's only fine movements, you know, you don't have to move a lot. Nose is coming up too high now, so like, keep it like that. Look, we're going down again. Turn us right. And hold it there. Okay. Do you want to feel some 0G? So it makes us feel like we're floating in the air. Okay?
Yeah.
So just a quick look. There's nobody around us.
Oscar, Roger, early call traffic, 12 o'clock.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
100 feet below.
That was it.
What do you think of that?
Gathering myself again. I was like expecting it and then it happened and I was like, no, I'm not ready for this.
Contact
Yeah, if you want me to stop doing anything, just say stop. Okay. Okay, I'll do a 360 to our left. Checking nobody's around us. Okay, so I'm going to go to the left. The G's are quite intense in there.
Delta Foxtrot, early on opposite direction, track range of 3 miles, tracking north, no altitude.
Searching, Golf Delta Foxtrot.
Oscar, update on your track. He's going away from you at 2 o'clock, range 2 miles.
What do you think of that?
That made me dizzy.
Yeah.
I was like, how are you thinking of what to do still when you're doing that? I was like, I wouldn't be able to do 2 things at once.
That's probably the worst G's we pull in these aircraft.
Yeah.
Like, it's mad what aerobatics pilots and fighter jet pilots have to be able to do. Because the wind's pushing us quite a bit, it's going to take a good little while to get there. So I'll just go straight to the coast now, and then maybe fly along to respawn.
These planes have like,
First contact from range 25.
our normal planes have like black boxes. Do one of these have any of them? So like, you don't know what happens if you were to die.
Well, that's why I like to carry the GoPro sometimes.
Yeah.
Because even though it's nice to post videos on YouTube, if anything, that's recording what's happening here.
Yeah.
You know, it can see outside and it can hear what's being said on the radio and everything.
Yeah.
So if anything, that's like a mini black box.
1 miles opposite direction, altitude.
Like I say, it caught that near miss with that private jet. You know, so if we actually hit that,
It was going so fast.
yeah. If we, you know, if we hit that, then people will be able to see the footage. That's as long as the SD card isn't mangled and everything. Then people will be able to see that and then be able to say what happened. Let's go selfie.
Kilos, 22-1 on board, bound for Flatbush. Currently 5 miles north of the Bravo Kilo Yankee VOR, 2,200 on 101 road.
7 Lima Kilo, roger, basic service.
Okay, what I'll do is practice an engine failure. So, pull the engine back to idle. You know, obviously don't turn it off, but pull it back to idle. So do is select the right attitude to keep us just under 60. Checking no one's around us, and then I'll start looking for fields straight away. So I've got my glide on. I've got my glide on. Okay, I've got a field below us. So what I do is then see why the engine's stopped. So my mags are on, the fuel cock's on. Put the fuel pump on. Be fine. So then I'll try for a restart. Try to restart it. If it doesn't restart, I'll turn all of that stuff off. You know, still gliding nicely. See, even though the engine's sort of cut, you know, it shows how slowly we are dropping.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So I'll do all of that. Reassure my passengers, stop crying. So do all that, then make a mayday call, so mayday, 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 Golf Hotel, Echo Victor Romeo, engine failure over Pevensey levels. So now we're facing into wind, so air increase a little bit. I've still got my field.
Leaving the Elstree circuit, heading 1,300 feet. Keep looking.
See this one with a bit of a pond in it here?
Yeah.
That's the one I'll go for, just so I need to go. But we would have made that one.
Like boiling now.
Sorry?
It's hot.
Are you hot? Because you can use it.
Okay.
Just alter it how you want it, really. Because these things barely store. So when we get to about there, see, that's not bad.
Yeah.
But it just shows how quick you can recover it as well. But what I could do is add a bit of power now. Oh, actually, I'll do what I was doing the other day. We're sort of into wind now. And what I'll do is like hold the nose up, get as slow as I can. Try and keep this airspeed a bit. Now look down. We are practically hovering, aren't we?
Yeah, we're not moving at all.
How cool is that? That's mental, isn't it?
It's like, see when everything else stops but you're still moving?
Yeah. Right, so we'll do a start. I really didn't want to stall though. Right. These aircraft are just brilliant.
Dean on radio, Golf India, Romeo Echo Delta, returning from the southeast for an overhead adjoin. Presently at 2,300 feet.
Oh, is that one over there? It's going that way, I think.
It looks like an airliner. He's just said he's coming from the southeast. I'm just going to call up because I was going to call up anyway. Dealing radio, Go Hotel, Echo Victor Romeo, Arlington Reservoir, 2,400 feet inbound for an overhead join. Right, so I'll make my turn in towards the airfield now. Right, basically, you've got to keep looking out that way.
Victor Romeo, inbound from where?
Go Victor Romeo, inbound from Arlington Reservoir, 2,100 feet now.
Okay, well, we're well behind you, about 2 miles.
Roger, Golf Victor Romeo. Dealing radio, Golf Hotel Echo Victor Romeo, crosswind for runway 24. Okay, so trim's fine, wind's down 24, just slightly to the left. Activity, there's one inbound, he's well behind us. Security, so your hatches and harness is okay?
Yeah.
Yep. Fuel pumps on, sufficient for go around. Undercarriage, the brakes are off, and needles, engine temperatures and pressures.
Arlington radio, Golf India, Romeo, Echo Delta. Presently north of Arlington Reservoir, descending to the dead side over Deanland Park, around Deanland Park.
Okay, and now you've watched the video, we're just inbound to land like we were at the start of the video. Going to do a bit of a side slip now because we are quite high. Helps us lose quite a bit of airspeed. No, it holds the airspeed and lets us drop a bit quicker.
No.
One sec. Dealing radio, Go Hotel Echo Victor Romeo, final runway 24. Oh my god, I
so
did
nice.
not feel that at all. Yes! Oh, I'm happy about that.
Considering how bumpy it was.
That was oh. You see, we have bad weather when we go flying, but I always do amazing touchdowns.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we landed, fuel up, transponder on standby, fuel pump off, and we'll vacate the runway. And I'll just call it.
Deanland radio, Golf Echo Delta, entering runway 24 for immediate takeoff.
Deanland radio, Go Hotel Echo Victor Romeo, vacated the runway. Thanks for going with us, and the next video I upload should be the trip off to Belgium I did with the Flying Reporter, so we look forward to that one, and we'll see you again.